This is our prototype IoT based vertical farming system. Okay, let's go to the working of the project. For this project, we have given our application, and to use our application, you need to configure our application with your device. After you configure, you'll get these values where you can set the threshold values. I have set the temperature threshold is 20, humidity threshold is 40, and moisture threshold is 30,000. Okay, let me keep my humidity sensor as 40, and when I upload it, you can see that my data will be going to update and it will be uploaded to my database. You can see that my humidity is 40 and temperature is 20 and the moisture is 40,000, which is uploading to the my cloud. And all sensors data I am getting read from my device. You can see that cloud data temperatures from here and the data which is reading from our sensor as well. Our temperature is 27 right now, humidity 49, and all the moisture sensors are 20,000. Okay, I'll show you the working of the device. My all motors are turned on, and except the watering, because water is sufficient, and temperature is also turned on because I set the temperature as 20, and the temperature reading is 27. When it reaches below the when it reaches below the 20, so the fogging will off. So I'll explain. I will show you. I'll set the temperature as 30. I set the temperature as threshold value is 30. You can see the temperature data uploaded, and you can see that cloud temperature is also 30, and the present reading temperature is about 28. And have seen that my relays are turned off, motoring action, everything, fogging, watering, everything turned off. And I'll show you my wet sensor data. My wet sensor data I'm getting here as 20,288. I'll set the threshold value as 30,000. Consider our soil is getting dry, so that I am in the mean sense I am opening my sensors from the soil and letting it be dry for a while. And you can see the data reading here. You can see the data is increasing from 20,000 to 21,000, and data will be going on increasing till it reaches the threshold value. You can see that my relays are turned on as the soil is dry, and in the same time we are putting an NPK solutions and other solutions, so that our device will be completely smart, and the values we can set through our application, and it is suitable for all types of plants, as we can set all the values depending upon the plants.